Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have another watch unboxing here. This should be my Bulova Devil Diver. I bought this used a little while ago. I wasn't planning on opening it up quite yet, but I have a watch in on loan from Rob, a orange dial Devil Diver, so want to compare the two of these since I have this one and the other one, so heck, let's just compare them. But first, you have to get out of the box here. It's quite the large box here. I'm not sure why it's so big. Unless it's not the right watch, which could be possible. It'd be kind of funny. Some interesting packaging going on here. Watch is inside of a paper bag. Inside of a padded mailer. Let's open this back up again. Hopefully that did the trick. Looks very promising to be the correct package here. Bulova BUL 98B320 Bulova Oceanographer Automatic Black Dial Men's Watch 9. So yes, this will be it. These boxes still confuse me. I think I pull up right here. Should close my knife blade here. Safety first. Alright, so this one is on a bracelet. I don't know what's in there. Maybe it's just, no, extra bracelet links are in there. It's the hang tag again. I thought I would have the price on there, but I'm not seeing a price for MSRP. So there she is. Looks very similar to the orange dial one. This one is, of course, on bracelet, though. Yeah, it's kind of a interesting looking watch. Kind of reminds me, I don't know what it reminds me of. I did buy this watch used. Looks like there's a little ding on it there from strap change or something. I don't know. Normally the thing would be on the other side, the back side. Not impressed with this bracelet right off the bat. Stamped clasp. This portion here is stamped as well. Looks like it may have a dive extension. Maybe not. Yep. It's a cheap stamped dive extension. I'm going to do some research on this, obviously, but I'm curious about the MSRP of this watch as well. I'm not sure if that's a sapphire or just epoxy for that bezel insert. Assuming this is sapphire crystal. I don't know. No, the way the lighting was hitting off of the Bulova applied logo there, it almost looked like it wasn't there for a minute. Most of the hacking movement, at least. Feels like his hand winding as well. Lots of polishing on this. Solid end links. All right, let me screw the crown back in and I'll put it on wrist and we'll close out the video. I don't know if you guys can hear the bracelet rattling around as I'm handling the watch here. Looks like it's just, yep, push pins too, split pins. See the little arrow there? Normally the arrow points the other way, but okay. Yeah, let's get this on wrist. I'm gonna have to remove quite a few links out of this one. Then I'll zoom out here. Who knows what we'll catch in the background. You know, I'll zoom back in on the dial again and we'll check out the indices. It has the same like little plastic cylinders. Got to push the pushers in. Almost broke the clasp, I guess. I don't know. Let's zoom back in. Take a quick look at the dial. We'll close out the video. It's got these little plastic ice cubes or little cylinders on here. Very interesting look. The dial almost looks like it's blue instead of black. Let's see. Maybe it's just like a dark gray or a light black. I don't know. All right. Anyway, that will conclude today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time, and I'll catch you on the next one.